What if I told you one tiny bug could cost your business millions? It's not a nightmare, it's reality. The 2018 Facebook data breach is a cautionary tale for businesses everywhere. Meta, Facebook's parent company, was fined €251 million for a bug that compromised 29 million accounts. This massive breach exploited a simple feature, exposing everything from emails to birthdays. So, what can Houston businesses learn from this? Enter Impress IT Solutions. We specialize in proactive threat detection, secure system design, and rapid incident response. Our advanced monitoring systems catch vulnerabilities before they become disasters. And it's not just about tech. We train your employees to recognize threats and safeguard sensitive information. Meta's fine teaches us crucial lessons. Notify breaches properly, document everything, and design with data protection in mind. Ignoring these can cost you big time. Partner with Impress IT Solutions to avoid these pitfalls. Protect your business, ensure compliance, and build trust. Contact Impress IT Solutions today. Stay ahead, stay secure.